Welcome to this guided study meditation designed to bring you into the present moment and enhance your learning experience. Find a comfortable sitting position with a straight back and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, allowing your belly to expand with fresh air. Now, exhale, feeling your stomach gently contract. Inhale, letting your belly rise. And exhale, allowing yourself to fully sink into this moment. Take another slow, deep breath in, allowing your belly to expand with a sense of calm. Exhale, feeling any tension gently leave your body. Now, bring your attention to where you are. Feel the seat underneath you. Feel the clothes on your skin. And the sensation of the air entering your body through the tip of your nose. You are here. This moment is all that exists here and now. As we move into affirmations, repeat these phrases silently in your mind. My mind is clear and I can concentrate easily. I am fully present in my learning, free from distractions. Recalling information is natural and accessible for me. I am focused and alert, ready to absorb knowledge. I trust in my ability to understand and remember information. My mind is sharp, and I grasp new concepts effortlessly. I enjoy the process of learning, and it comes naturally to me. With each breath, I become more centered and attentive. Every time I focus upon these words, my mind becomes better and better at learning information with ease. Know that your mind is capable, focused, and ready to absorb knowledge effortlessly. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. And open your eyes with a sense of confidence and readiness to learn.